Everybody, welcome to the Muhammad Travel Vlog. Today we are at the Al Wada main mall vlog. Here you could see the Al Wada main mall, and up there you could see the Grand Millennium Hotel. It is a very big hotel beside the Al Wada mall. So now we are approaching the Al Wada main mall. Now we'll see you at the entrance. So now we are coming closer to the Al Wada main mall. Here you could see we are now approaching the main entrance of the mall. Here you could see the main entrance of the Al Wada main mall. Okay, now we're going into the parking lot, and here's the Grand Millennium Hotel sign. Now we're going into the parking lot, and we'll see you in a few minutes. There are many shops here. And here is the roof of the mall. Here's a little dome. Starbucks coffee is here. Here we are where Shoe Mart is it. Here are the Gap's different logos. So many times it got evolved. And right now this is the latest logo. Let's go. Look, and here there's Aldo. Here there's Junaid Jamshed, Pakistan coach shop. So मुझे याद भी आ गया कि मैंने उर्दू बोला. From looking at this side, I just remember I need to talk in Urdu. Here's Rivoli. ये Rivoli है. ये देखो ऊपर the young man musician है. Up there's the young musician. Here is Magorodies. Magorodies है. Rivoli की groups से ये बना हुआ है. Now we're going ahead. अभी हम आगे जा रहे हैं. And here is Manogo. Okay, Arabic में इसलिए नहीं पता. This is Manogo. Now this is the English mango. Like a mango, yeah. आम के जैसा ना. Here on the right, you could see Smart Cafeteria. Ooh, this is interesting. Smart Cafeteria. हाँ, ये Smart Cafeteria. यहाँ से stadium की entrance भी है. Then this is also the stadium entrance. And here is the face shop. Ooh. ये फेस शॉप है. वाह, इंटरेस्टिंग है. ये कुछ ऐसे मशीन्स हैं. Here is the last Sewazal lingerie. And here we're going ahead. ये वो लास्ट lingerie था. यहाँ IKEA है. स्वीडन की सबसे बड़ा दुकान. This is IKEA, Sweden's biggest shop. Here we are going. There you could see the train. Ooh, it's moving from here. Look there. वहाँ ट्रेन था ना बच्चे के बैठने के लिए. पता है वो वहाँ यहाँ तो जिप्पी है. This is Zippy. वहाँ ट्रेन चले. That is the train. And here we are at one of the parking entrances. So right now we completed the ground floor vlog, and we'll see you in part 2 where we'll make the first floor. This is the ground floor of the Al Wada main mall vlog, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next vlog. Thank you. Did you know Al Wada mall has 3.3 million square feet area, which is as big as the Burj Khalifa? And here there's another fact. You can read it later because I don't have time. Okay, now we're going to the next place. And here's the Costa coffee shop. And there's another big view, and here's the dome I was talking about before. Here's a lift which is connected to the dome. And here's another entrance of the main mall. Here is Celio. There's a big entrance. There's Starbucks where I told you. And there are so many things. Let's go more ahead. हम और आगे जाते हैं. देखो सारी दुकानें हैं ना. Celio है, Pedicure है वहाँ. Celio है, Logia है वहाँ. एक और main entrance है. देखो हम आगे जाते हैं. Let's go ahead. Here is Costa, and above it is and beside it is Barbecue Station, Barbecue Nation. यहाँ Costa था कॉफी शॉप, और यहाँ Barbecue Nation है. हम यहाँ से लेफ्ट मोड़ेंगे. अब यहाँ we'll move left from here. तो यहाँ Celio है जो मैं पहले बात कर रहा था. This is our Celio which I was talking before. And here you could see Fi al-Atur means we perfumes. And here's a little tree with benches here. Here is Gant. And here is Kawat. ये गांत है और कवात वो है. वहाँ वो baby shop है. That is baby shop. And here is Mayavar. और ये गांत के ऊपर Birken store है. Birken store है. Above Gant is Birken store. And beside that is Gjord. उसके साथ Gjord है. और वहाँ सिनेमा के एक एडवर्टाइजमेंट है अलवादा सिनेमा के. Entrance of the Alwada main mall. Here you could see a clan. And here you could see details written in Arabic. Okay, now let's enter the mall. Okay, now here is a very big tree. And here you could see mamas and papas. You could look up there. The mall's upper floors. Oh, you can see someone selling balloons up there. Oh, look there, everybody's saying, every sign is saying back the new Saudia restaurant opening here in the extension mall, which was my old vlog I made. There is the happiness desk. Now we're passing through a train, one of Alwada Mall's trains, toy trains for kids. Here we're passing through Mother Care. Here we're going. And here you could pre-order the Galaxy S23 series. Here is Emax. There's Mother Care again. Here's Crocs. Here's Damas. You look here. And there you could see the Bargiri Pharmacy. Here's Emax from the inside. There you could see another shop. Can't read its name from here, but I think it's here. And here is the watch house over there. And here is one sign. Here you could read it. All the things on the right. And here is Paul, a cafe here. Okay, now we're going through the mall. Here Crocs. Here is Charles and Rings. Here is Rivoli. There is Days of Japan and Baby Shop. There is Nickelot. And there is the other side of the mall. We'll do the vlog later. Now we'll go to the opposite side. Now we're going through the other shops. So here is the main entrance where you could see so many shops. Here you could see. And here on our right is Gap. And there you could see a shoe mart. Here above Paul you could see the new home center that is opened. Here.